How to add Avalanche coin to your Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Avalanche coin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now look at top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Avalanche coin. You are looking to add Avalanche coin, right? Just toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now again tap on Avalanche coin. Once you tap on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just click and reach it. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Avalanche coin from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Avalanche coin to Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.